This 2025 Grand Design Reflection 150,270 BN is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 4, air conditioning, leveling jacks, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, awning, DVD player, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, external shower, LP detector, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Grand Design Reflection 150,270 BN is 8,050 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.